Hi, I'm Dapeng Wei. This is my 5-minute presentation of Project B about stray cat feeder and stray database design. The project aimed to rescue stray cat lived in Beijing, China, based on the TNR stray cat system. Beijing is the capital city of China and from Ming Dynasty has a long history. In the recent decades, with the rapid urbanization, Beijing city has faced some of serious challenges, such as stray cat management out of control. According to the Beijing Statistical Agency, 2014, the number of stray cats in Beijing has reached about 200,000. The number of stray cats around the city is much larger than the number in the city center, but in recent years, the number of stray cats in central Beijing has also shown a significant increase. As the photo shows, the Palace Museum in central Beijing is currently home to the large number of stray cats. As a result, I designed this named X stray cat feeder, which can take photo of those stray cats were attracted by the fresh water supplied by feeder. The feeder has a scanner that can detect when no water is drunk or contaminated. This is a video about the feeder. This stray cat can be set up on street and district in Beijing to make up for the TNR stray cat rescue system cannot solve the problem of inaccurate data caused by stray cat mobility. This scanner can monitor the quality of water 24 hours a day, and freshwater quality is very important to this project because only in this way can feeder attract stray cat and record their basic information such as appearance, pregnancy or not. This project deeply considered the concept of sustainable design. It chose to use solar panels as a source of energy. Most of these feeders are kept outside, so they have enough time to absorb solar energy during the day, which provides them with energy security for work at night. The whole feeder mainly contains three functions. One is to attract stray cats through fresh water. Second, take pictures of stray cats through the camera set up at the top. Third, the data of stray cats are studied and analyzed through the built-in processor and transmitted to the database of stray cats, so as to provide assistance for the work of the rescuing stray cat and reduce the time spent by rescuers in researching for the location of stray cats. Just like I said, all the information about stray cats will be combined into a central database. In order to make it easier for users, I designed this application named C Database. This application can be downloaded on the different platforms, such as Apple, Windows, and Android. Users only need to register an account to access all the information about stray cats in the database. It noticed that users have to be clear to the program about their identity and the purpose of using the data. Usually, only university researchers and stray cat protection groups are allowed to visit. This is due to the protection of stray cats data. When the user enters the main interface of the database, they can enter the exact address. As a result, users can get all the information about stray cats in the searched area. This includes the number of stray cats, their movements, temperature, injuries, nearby hospitals, and contact information. In order to finish the whole stray cats rescue program, I found an organization named ASAP, Association of Small Animal Protection, which can provide neuter services for those trapped stray cats in Beijing. This step is significant for the rescue process because it can reduce the breeding speed of stray cat so as to sustainably control the number of stray cat. Throughout the design process, I continued to conduct prototype tests, from the initial point of view to the food and water tests. In the process of upgrading, I abandoned some designs and upgraded many details. In terms of design philosophy, I learned from German design as lingo. Change is fun. The process of change is also a process of learning. I hope my design can help those homeless stray cats, and every cat can have its own house in the future. And thank you for watching.